Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys everything new on the Gilded Acorn Store in Heartopia this month, so the month of May. And we are just going to open the store. We have the Whimsical Tea Party which we had from last month. So this one requires the exhibition pass. And then we also had the Lustrous Parade. We just got it, and again you need exhibition passes for this, same as the Go With Puppy one. Alright, and then we have these two new ones, which is the Graffiti channel. We have this one and this one. Then we also have the Raindrop song, this one and this one. I really want the umbrella. Hopefully I get it. But for this one, you use Moonlight Crystals, which you can get by signing in. So if you did sign in like every single day for like the past month or so, you are able to get it if you want to and try it out. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!